Welcome to UGC NET JRF Coaching for Commerce and Management Student Series. Myself, Nana Joy, PG Department of Finance, M.COM, St.Aloysius College, Elthuruth. I am discussing here certain questions from UGC NET exam in paper 1. First question, in which of the following activities potential for nurturing creative and critical thinking is relatively greater? Four options are given. One is presenting a seminar paper, participation in a research conference, participation in a workshop, and preparing a research summary. Of this, the correct answer is participation in a research conference. Then a conference means a meeting in which the researcher attend to present their findings and hear about the latest work within their field. At the same time, workshop is only an interactive session. So the most appropriate answer is participation in research conference. Then second question, which of the following set of statements best describes the nature and objectives of teaching? Indicate your answer by selecting from the code. Different options are given. Teaching and learning are integrally related, and there is no difference between teaching and training. Concern of all teaching is to ensure some kind of transformation in students. All good teaching is formal in nature. A teacher is a senior person, and teaching is social act, whereas learning is a personal act. So these are the options given, and the question is from the following set of statements which best describe the nature and objectives of teaching. So we can find out the combination. The correct answer is second one. It's a combination of teaching and learning are integrally related. Concern of all teaching is to ensure some kind of transformation in students, and teaching is a social act, whereas learning is a personal act. So when we go through the question in paper 1, sometimes we feel that almost all the options are correct, but we have to see which is the most appropriate or which is the most accurate answer. So that answers or that combination should be selected. Okay, we can move to the third question. The problem of research ethics is concerned with which aspect of research activities? The problem of research ethics is concerned with which aspect of research activities? Here also four options are given: data analysis through qualitative or quantitative techniques, defining the population of research, evidence-based research reporting, and following the prescribed format of a thesis. The correct answer is evidence-based research reporting. We know that what is meant by ethics. Normally, ethics means certain rules, then values or forms, which are very important. And when we go through this question, we can see that the correct answer is evidence-based research reporting. Move to the fourth question. Which of the sets of activities best indicate the cyclic nature of action research strategy? Four combinations are given. The first combination consists of observe, act, reflect, plan. Second one, act, plan, observe, reflect. Third one, plan, act, observe, reflect. Fourth one, reflect, observe, plan, act. So we can see that more accurate answer is the third one, that is plan, act, observe and reflect. So we know that action research consists of different activities, and the cyclic nature of action research strategy is first of all start from plan, and after that act, then observe, then reflect. Then fifth question, which of the following learner characteristics is highly related to effectiveness of teaching? So which of the following learner characteristic from the point of view of learner characteristic is highly related to effectiveness of teaching? Four options are given: educational status of the parents of the learner, peer groups of the learner, family size from which the learner comes, and last one, prior experience of the learner. So when we go through these options, we can see that the fourth one, that is prior experience of the learner, is the characteristic which is highly related to the effectiveness of teaching. So once again, we can see that there are five questions we have already discussed. One is about the activities potential for nurturing creative and critical thinking, which is relatively greater. The correct answer is participation in research conference. Then a set of statement best describes the nature and objectives of teaching, and we can select the code. The most correct combination is second one, consisting of teaching and learning are integrally related. Concern of all teaching is to ensure some kind of transformation in students, and teaching is a social act, whereas learning is a personal act. And third question with regard to research ethics, which is connected with which aspect of research activity? The correct answer is evidence-based research reporting. It should be supported by evidence. Then the cyclic nature of action research strategy. The correct answer is plan, act, observe, and reflect. The last one, which of the following learner characteristic is highly related to effectiveness of teaching? Most correct answer is prior experience of the learner. Okay, study it well. Thank you.